Hello and welcome to WEMBooks. First thing to do is to register to our website using the form to create an account. Insert your email and details, and then you need to confirm your email address via the email we sent you. You can then log in. Once you've confirmed your email, you can reach your login page, insert your email address and password, and log in. You can now reach your profile page, where you will find you have your first WEM points for registering to the website. It is now time to join a group. You can go to the left side menu, Circles, and you will have a list of the groups. Click on Join a Group on the group you want to join, and you'll see that there are a list of members, the feed, send invites, photos album, the organizers, and members. Once you've joined a group, you find out that your WEM points have been increased by 200 points. It is now time to complete your profile. You need to change your profile picture, your profile photo. So just select the file you prefer. You can drop it into the space here. You select your file. You can then crop it as you like. Crop the photo. And it is now ready in your profile. It is now time to change the cover photo, so select the file you want to use as a cover photo. And you can now view your profile with a new photo. It is now time to send invitations to your friends. See email invites, and you find a form where you can start sending invitations by name and email. You need 3 to start with. Insert the name of the first one and the email of the recipient, the second one and its email, and then the third one with the email. You will see there is a standard message below, and send invites. So just press the button and you will see that your points have been updated and you are now a novice. Congratulations!